Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guided Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, today was a pretty uneventful day in the overall markets. Nasdaq rallied at almost 0.83%. Tesla and NVIDIA were up today. I was trading them with call options. NVIDIA just blasted higher, got an upgrade by Goldman Sachs. Tesla had delivery numbers, sold off pre-market. They came in and bought the dip. I think what's going on, the big concern is in the small caps. IWM is the iShares Russell 2000 ETF, down 1.5%. Overall, this is all being driven by the rise in interest rates. Bonds continue their climb higher. Bond interest rates continue their climb higher. Bond prices are just getting killed. This is the TLT. This is the 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF. It is now down 20% off the highs. Just absolutely getting killed here. There's no really way to spin it. If I'm looking long term, I am looking at picking up some TLT here, or TMF, which is the leveraged bond ETF. And the reason being is if we run into a recession, which I think, the Fed is going to keep hiking until they break things. And then if we get a recession, whether it's a hard or soft landing, that is going to create this flight to quality, and people will be buying bonds again, and you could get that squeeze. Right now, everybody's positioned on the short side, expecting rates to keep going higher. You have the Fed coming out, a number of Fed governors saying, higher for longer today. This is New York Fed boss John Williams. It's just interest rates should stay high for some time. Michelle Bowman, a known FOMC hawk, reiterated her call for multiple hikes. And this is really what's just pressuring the overall markets. And it's really affecting small caps, which is primarily what we trade, small caps, penny stocks. It's really hard to get swing trades right now. Mostly our focus right now is day, overnight trades, max. You have to be nimble. You have to have plenty of cash. Don't fall in love with anything right now. Cash is a great position. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. But we're going to be looking at the economic data. We get August U.S. JOLTS report tomorrow. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic speaks tomorrow. On Wednesday, U.S. ISM Services Index. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaks. And then Friday is September U.S. non-farm payrolls. Overnight I was tweeting, I was talking about the shutdown was averted. They signed a stopgap for 45 days. Again, they have to, argue again. There's just a lot of politics going on right now. But the futures popped on that overnight, and then they sold off. And I tweeted, that reversal was, a negative sign. But, gold is just absolutely getting hit, 1840. It's flat on the year, but, it's off the highs. There's just a lot of uncertainty right now about where to park money. If you have a short-term time horizon, Capital One Bank paying 4.3% in their savings account. You can get treasuries with treasurydirect.gov. Short-term treasuries paying over 5%. So there are options for your cash for, basically 2000, since the great financial crisis, it was China. There was no alternative to stocks. You had to buy dividend stocks or whatever to get any yield because cash was yielding basically zero. Now there are options on your cash, and that is really why there's not a rush to buy, anything right now. People are sitting, money market funds are bursting at the seams with cash. And I think, if interest rates start coming down, I think, that's why I don't think we're going to get a crash, even if we go into a recession, because there's so much cash on the sidelines that will come into the market. So let's see how it plays out. But in terms of, penny stocks and small caps, what we trade here, weekend video, I highlighted FEMY, big news, female health, infertility. They have that's their specialty. That's what they focus on. Low market cap. It's trading at $3.89 right now. It's holding its momentum, but the RSI is overbought, which is the reason. I know a lot of people are talking about $8, $10 on the stock. With the RSI at 89, it's very difficult to get that pop. I think what we're going to do is pull back a little bit, consolidate, and then get that move. Stocks, nothing ever goes up in a straight line. So just remember that, you have to, stocks go up, they go down, and then they go higher or they go lower. So again, learn price action. That's the most important thing. I know, Warren Buffett talks about fundamentals and everything. For me, I'm a tape reader. I'm price action. That's what gives me the indication of what the market wants to do. NVOS had news over the weekend, $1 billion financing. I know a couple people commented, their PRs have been circumspect. I agree. I am not saying it's the next Apple or anything. This is a trade it, don't own it. It is a great trader. I've been covering it since the end of August when it spiked here through the 10-cent level, ran all the way to 53 cents, pulled back to 20 cents, consolidated nicely, and now we're here at 33 cents. The next move, I don't know. Today was a green day. Tomorrow could be red. Tomorrow could be green. Just trade it. I'm not looking to trade, hold it overnight. I think this is a great trader. And again, that's what I'm just trying to do. Put stocks on your radar that I think have potential to put some money in your pocket. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. FNGR, nice day today, up 12%. I've been covering this one for a while. $5 trend line support held here. You can go into insiderfinancial.com, type in any symbol, and you can see what we've had to say. There's been no news since they announced the shelf registration. We had an in-depth article on insiderfinancial.com. What happened with the shorts, Fingermotion after hours by shelf registration. This was last month on September 12th. Highly recommend you go and read that. We've been all over FNGR for our subscribers. GRPN, talked about this one over the weekend, breaking out here, consolidating up here. Again, RSI is overbought, but 33% of the float is short. So this one, I think we can really get a short squeeze going here. OPGN, pretty uneventful day, 42 cents, light volume, just 5 million shares. Keep this one on your radar screen. Again, trade green, not red. BNOX, we had positive top-line results last month from their phase 2B clinical trial for the treatment of PTSD. That's when we got the spike here to $6, pulled back to $3. Now we're back to $3.94. Again, great trader. Focus on, trading right now. It's not about buying and holding. We will get that market where it is a more buy and hold market, but right now, I know it's hard. A lot of you guys are working. You come home at night, you're catching our videos. You're just trying to get a recap of what's going on in the market. You're looking for new plays. I know it's not hard. It's not easy for you guys to be actively during the day, but that's the market right now. If you cannot be active, it's best off just to hold off, wait, and see what develops. PIXY up 88%, but I really like this price action today. I think we could see more upside this week. Keep your eye on this one. Great chart. No news today, but again, this one here has a lot of potential. Been covering this one in the past. It's a great spiker, a great trader, so keep this one on your radar screen. AWIN closed up 89%, but opened high, ran at 27 cents, pulled back. It was another trade it, don't own it type play. We got news. There's a shareholder meeting next month. Some items on the agenda. They're doing a financing with Lynn Capital. Let's see how that plays out, but a lot of volume today, so I think this one should be on your radar screen. When you get these big volume days, that means traders, day traders in particular, have this stock on their radar screen, and they will trade the momentum. It's all about trading that momentum, get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play. ICCM had news today. They announced independent study validates IceCure's ProSense cryoablation is safe and effective outpatient procedure for breast cancer with a 96.8% success rate. This is great news. The study was conducted in Spain with women who declined standard of care surgery. ProSense is approved for the treatment of breast cancer throughout the EU. So big news today, and that's why we got the nice pop today. And again, this one here was trading $1.56. We got major resistance up here. We get above $1. This one's really going to run. So let's keep this one on our radar screen. IMMX up 26% today. I've been talking about this one on the $3 breakout. See, this was all this. He had a double top here. We broke through there. Love how it breaks through, comes back, test that support. It held. Now we go higher. So again, we got news today. The company announced 72 patient NXC-201 clinical data at the IMS 20th annual meeting, 95% overall response rate in multiple myeloma. So big news today. Like this price action here in IMMX. And lastly, AGIL, a lot of chatter on Twitter, $1.5 million volume after hours, average volume light float, just 10 million. CO recently increased his stake by 7.6% at 83 cents a share. Could be a big pre-market runner. I agree. Going to be watching this one tomorrow. A lot of people are on Twitter and StockTwits chatting about it. So StockTwits, a great resource here. You can go to markets, trending, most active, watchers. This tells you what everyone's focused on. So again, RVLP, ICCM, FEMY, ICU, AWIN. These are the big names that a lot of people are starting to watch, putting on their radar screen, looking for moves. So again, there's a lot of plays out there right now. But again, you got to be nimble. You got to, trade it, don't own it. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is we put stocks on your radar with the potential for outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And like every morning, every day, we're going to be screening pre-market, looking for those, the next runner to put on our subscribers' radar. And we put out a full reports. And to get our small cap reports, we cover the latest low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great night and have a great Tuesday, everyone. Bye-bye.